All right, today we're taking a look at the Peak Litemax Titanium Stove. Peak is a company out of Japan. They make incredibly lightweight titanium backpacking gear that is kind of designed for the enthusiast. This stove definitely takes the cake on the ones that are out and available from Peak today. This thing comes in at 1.9 ounces and has an output of an incredible 11,200 BTUs. This is something that I have gotten a ton of use out of. You can see that it's got a bunch of miles on it. I have boiled countless pots of water with it to make meals on the trail. I've had a lot of luck with it. It seems like a timeless piece of gear that is just very well made and built to last. It does come with this cool little stuff sack that keeps it from bouncing around in your pot, and it will fit most pot sizes. I've used this anywhere from a 900 milliliter pot all the way down to a 450 pot just for like a cup, just for warming up some water for coffee in the morning. Something that I've really enjoyed, and I think I'll continue to get a lot of use out of it. Thanks for watching.